Here I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 5A, and let me show you how to use the hardware test mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Let's open the phone's dialer by using this phone icon, and let's use this secret code star pound 64663 pound star. As you can see, the QC test mode just pops up. Here you can navigate by tapping appropriate options. As you can see here, you can test the hardware features on your device, so you can make sure that your Xiaomi is original and you can make sure that your Xiaomi is performing just well. So let's choose the software version at first. Here you can read such stuff as your email, build number, kernel version, and if everything is alright, let's choose OK. Let's enter the function test. So now the following SIM and SD card information pops up. If everything is alright, let's choose OK or error. Let me choose error, for example. You may also choose the color and test the color of your screen. Tab OK or error. Some raw data test and other stuff. If you would like to go back, let's use the back arrow. And here we've got the results. You may also test the receiver, GPS, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth address, the light sensor, the keys, back and front camera. You may perform the call test and other tests such as the headset, radio FM or battery capacity. You may also choose more key, and here you can see the test report or perform the Wi-Fi test tool. If you would like to quit this mode, let's use your back arrow. You have to make sure that all tested records will be cleared. Let's tap OK, and that's it. You are in a home screen. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.